What's up, guys? So we got my sister's JL here today, and we're going to be using some ammo mud tire gel. This is going to restore some of these black plastic pieces all over. It works really well for that. I have used Mother's Back to Black before, but I like to support Larry, and he makes a good product, so we're going to use his stuff today. But yeah, so we're just going to be cleaning up all the black plastics. Everything looks really nice. On the hood here. Did those. Got this nice. Did the mirrors. This guy here. Did the running boards. The door handles. This is actually interesting too. I did this right here. This was really kind of faded, and that stuff brought it right back. So the JLs have like this black plastic trim that runs along the fenders. That turned out nice too. Rear bumper, the tail lights, the backup camera, and there's like this piece here, the third brake light. Did that. Did these hinges up here. Tail lights turned out really nice though. But yeah. So I'm really happy with it. Looks nice. That stuff works great all the time. So, but yeah, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you got some faded black plastic that isn't super faded, there's a point where that stuff won't bring back extremely faded stuff. So keep that in mind. But for some lightly faded stuff like this Jeep had a little bit of that. So anyway, guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. That's my cherry cans popping. And anyway, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.